Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this channel I share with you some tips and tricks about photography and a lot of behind the scenes videos. Today's video is a little bit different. I will share with you 5 of my goals for 2022. I really hope that I can inspire some of you to set your own goals. The overall theme in my list is to push myself to be more creative. Usually the creative portraits take a little bit more work, planning and props. So this often makes me feel overwhelmed and I tend to stand away from them. This doesn't make a portrait less beautiful, but it does not push me further. So, my first goal for this year is to spend a lot more time planning my shoots and not back down from a complicated concept. To make this more than just a nice wish and actually do it, I decided to start some projects. So my next goal will be to come up with a project. In the past I did this for my Instagram. The project was called 12 Concepts in 12 months. Each month I have to come up with a concept and do several shoots with it. What worked well with this project is to get a lot of experience, meeting new models and trying a lot of new stuff. What didn't work so well is I tried to do too many shoots with each concept, and I often did not manage to complete all of them. So this year I decided to do a similar project. The idea is to focus on quality over quantity. My third goal is to continue working on my editing skills and signature color grading. Usually I grade the image however I feel at the time, so I don't have a cohesive look across my work. My fourth goal is to upload more in stock sites. This isn't really a big income stream for me, and with the latest rates I don't think it will be. But it's a nice way to put some of my photo in use and get a little bit of money in the end of the year. My last goal is related to this YouTube channel. I really love to create behind the scenes videos and I like the idea that they can maybe inspire some of you. So the goal is to be more consistent. I hope I can make one video each week. I also want to tie this with my second goal and update you with my projects. So those are my 5 goals for this year. What are yours? Tell me in the comments. That's it from this video, guys. Bye!